Welcome to the Narayana online paper discussion. This is 18th second shift mathematics, right? Well, let us go to this one. In a triangle ABC, AB equals to 10, like this. A, B, C. AB is 10 given, BC is 8 given, this is 7. Drop a perpendicular. See, we know that it is cos A is equal to, from properties of triangles, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. That is B square. This is A means small a, B means small b, this is small c. B square 49 plus C square 100 minus A square 64 by 2 into 7 into 10. That is 136. 36 means 85 by 140. 85 by 140. Right? In triangle, that is projection from vectors you have learned. Right? Projection. The same cos A, we can write it as, if you assume it as D, it is cos A, AD by AD by AB. I want AD. AD is equal to AB into cos A. AB, that is 10 given. Cos A we got 85 by 140. That is 85 by 14, right? It is projection, doesn't mean that we have to go to vectors always, right? Normally we can find out from properties of triangles. Okay, let us go to the second question. This type of problems long back they have given in the form of like A sin power 4 theta plus B cos power 4 theta is equal to something like A plus B whole power n. Same model. This we can write it as like this: 15 sin power 4 theta plus 10 cos power 4 theta is equal to 6 into 1 square. That one I can write it as like this. That is 6 sin power 4 theta, 6 cos power 4 theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. 15 minus 6, 9 sin power 4 theta minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta, 10 minus 6, that is 4 cos power 4 theta equal to 0. It is a perfect square. 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta whole square equals to 0. That is nothing but tan square theta is equal to, when you send it to the other side, sin square by cos square. Tan square is 2 by 3. But we want an expression like this. So 8 cosecant power 6. It can be written as cosecant square whole cube. Cosecant square is 1 plus cot square whole cube plus 27 secant square, that is 1 plus tan square theta whole cube, that is 8. Tan square is 2 by 3. It is 3 by 2 whole cube plus 27 2 by, this is 3 whole cube, right? It is nothing but 5. 125. This is also 5. 125. It is 250, right? So whenever this type of problems are there, this 6 into 1, that 1 has to be taken as sin square plus cos square and whole square. Okay, quickly let us go to the third one. In a series of 2n observations, half are A, that is A plus A so on n times, plus the other half are minus A so on n times, right, by 2n. This is equal to x bar. So x bar is nothing but 0. Now, he has given some information. If B is added in all the observations, that is A plus B plus A plus B so on n times plus minus A plus B plus minus A plus B so on n times, right? Then the mean, this by 2n is equal to 5, that he has given. All a's can be cancelled. It is 2n times of b by 2n is 5. That means b equal to 5. We have got b value. Next, standard deviation, that is sigma. You know that sigma will not change because of shifting the origin model. So sigma is root of sigma xi square by 2n minus mean square. That is root of, what happens to this one? Here also when you are adding, they are all nothing but 2n a square. It is 2n times a square by 2n minus 0. This he has given it as 20. That means, right, root of a square, a equal to 20. So he is asking a square, that is 400 plus b square, that is 425. Simple problems in general they are asking from the statistics. So let us go to the next one quickly. Yeah, g of x is equal to so and so. Here f of x is a continuous function on the interval 0 to 3, such that for all x belongs to, it is a continuous function he has given. F of x ranges, this one, and ranges, maximum range. We know that for a continuous function it is less than or equal to, right? So what is the first one? For x lies between 0 to 1, x lies between 0 to 1, f of x is so and so. 0 to 1, it is 1 by 3 dx, to 0 to 1, it is 1 dx. Whereas for all x belongs to 1 to 3 and f of x ranges from 0 to 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2 for all, right, 1 to 3. This is 1 to 3 0, this is 1 to 3, it is 1 by 2 dx. As it is a continuous function, lower limit, upper limit. So it is g of x, this is 1 by 3 into x 0 to 1 less than or equals to x 0 to 1 half into x 1 to 3, right? This is 1 by 3 less than or equal to g of x 1. This is 3 minus 1 2, that is nothing but 1. You mean g of x belongs to 1 by 3 to, this is 2, not 1, it is 2, 1 plus 1. Okay. So whenever if it is a continuous function he states, then generally it lies between, that is like sandwich theorem. Okay. Next, an experiment is performed 5 times. Probability of one success, probability of one success p at x equal to 1 is 0.4096. Probability at x equal to 2, 0.2048. So when you divide, so before dividing, let us write down. So number of times he is conducting the experiment is 5. 5c1 q power 4 p by 5c2 q cube p square is 2 times, right? So 1p we can cancel. This is nothing but 5c1 is 5 into q by 5c2 is 10, that is 10 into p is equal to 2. This is 2 times q is equal to 4p. Since we know that p plus q equal to 1, p is 4p, p plus 4p, that is 5p equal to 1, p 1 by 5, that is q 4 by 5. Now he is asking probability for 3 successes, that is 5c3, q power, q is 4 by 5 whole square, p 1 by 5 cube, 5c3 is 10, 16 by 5 power 5, 10 into 16 by 5 into 5 power 4, 625, it is 2, it is 32 by 625. I think this one of this option, maybe this one or maybe this one, it should be 32 by 625, right? Please check out. As these are all memory based, 1 or 2 mistakes here and there may be possible, right? Let us go to the next one. Let Sn denotes sum of first n terms of AP. We all know the formula of Sn. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what he has given is S4n minus S2n is equal to 1000. So S4n, 4n by 2 into 2a plus 4n minus 1 into d minus 2n, 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d is equal to 1000. So this is 2 times, it is 2 into 2 4an plus 2 into 4 8n square d minus 2nd. Here minus 2an minus 2n square d, right, and minus of minus plus, it is nd is equal to 1000, right? These two terms 6n square d, next 4, that is plus 2an, next minus nd is equal to 1000. One relation. Somewhere we are going to use this one. He is asking S6n, that is 6n by 2 into 2a plus 6n minus 1 into d, right? So let us check this one. When you open the brackets, 2 cancel, it is 6an plus, next here 6 3 times, that is nothing but it is 3n, 3, 18n square, 18n square, right? N square d, next 3, 3 means minus, this is 3 times minus 3nd is equal to, from all these things I can take 3 common. If you take 3 common, it is 2an plus 6n square d minus nd. This value already it is there, so it is 3000. Please check it carefully. Simple Sn formula of AP. Okay, let us go to the next question. If the system of equations have non-trivial solution, determinant is equal to 0. So 4 minus lambda 2, 2, 2, 1, it is mu 2, 3 equal to 0. When you expand 4 into 6 minus 2 plus lambda into 6 minus mu, 6 minus mu plus 2 of 4 minus 2 mu equal to 0. It is 16 plus 6 lambda minus lambda mu plus 8 minus 4 mu equal to 0. That is 6 lambda minus 4 mu minus lambda mu is equal to minus 24 is equal to minus 24. From these two I will take this one and this one. I will take lambda common, 6 minus mu minus 4 mu equal to minus 24. This will be minus 24 only. Clearly mu is equal to 6. Then this becomes 0, this becomes. Since lambda is not represented, that means lambda can take all real numbers. So, simple problem from matrices. Go to the next one. Find the area bounded by 4y square is equal to so and so. So, it is y square is equal to x square by 4 into x minus 4 2 minus x, right? So, y is equal to mod x by 2 into root of x minus 4 into 2 minus x. You can do by using two different ways. One of the way is like this. Since x minus 4 into 2 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0, x belongs to 2 to 4. So, the region where you have to integrate is there in the problem in the form of domain, right? So, in such a cases, these terms you can write it as y equal to mod x by 2 into root of, that is x into 2, that is 2x minus x square minus 8 plus 4x, that is mod x by 2 into root of minus x square plus 6x minus 8 minus 1 plus 1, like this. So, that is y equal to mod x by 2 into 1 minus, this can be written as x minus 3 whole square. So, required area, as it is symmetric, you can integrate, right? So, as it is area, directly I am taking the mod, no need of getting any confusion, into root of 1 minus x minus 3 whole square dx. So, clearly put x minus 3 equal to sin theta. Accordingly, change all these things. So, lower limit 2 minus 3, that is 2 minus 3 minus 1 sin theta minus 1 minus pi by 2, this is pi by 2, this is 3 sin theta, right? And here it is 1 minus sin square cos square, that is cos theta. Next, that is also 3 plus sin theta of dx. So, here your x is 3 plus sin theta, dx is cos theta. Dx is, this is only cos theta, right? So, I am writing like this. So, now when you open the brackets, 3 into cos square theta of d theta, of course, 3 into cos square theta d theta. Since this is even function, we can write it as 2 times 0 to pi by 2. The other one is 0. It is 6 times, it is 1 by 2 pi by 2. 2, 3 times, it is 3 pi by 2 area bounded by, okay. So, you can also solve, put x is equal to upper limit, lower limit into cos theta, cos square theta plus upper limit into sin square theta, but that is a lengthy procedure. Use simple substitution like this. Go to the next one. Let w is equal to this one, mod z w, that is mod z into mod w equals to 1. You mean mod z equal to 1 by mod w is 1 by 2. So, if you try to draw the diagram, roughly I am saying, it is W, right? 1 comma minus root 3, whose length is 2 units, and this is 1 by 2, Z, I don't know, and angle between these two is pi by 2. That means it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Area, half, base, this is O, let us call it as P, let us call it as Q. OP into OQ, that is half. OP is 1 by 2, OQ is 2. That is, we can cancel these two, that is the area. So simple diagrammatic representation, if you have an idea, you can easily solve. Okay, let us go to the next one, 12th one. Let the curve is so and so, point is that one. So equation of tangent at P is 4x minus 2 into root 6y is equal to 4. 2 times, that is 2x minus root 6y equal to 2. This cuts x-axis at R wherever y is 0. That means 1 comma 0. And latus rectum. So since latus rectum is required, so we have to write the equation in the standard form. Y square by 2 equals to this one. So eccentricity is equal to root of 1 plus b square by a square, that is 1 plus 2 by 4, 1 by 2 root of 3 by 2, that is E, right? So latus rectum. What is latus rectum? It is the line parallel passing through a parallel line to the y axis, passing through x is equal to AE. Let us substitute it. So x is equal to A. A is this is root 3 by root 2, that is x equal to root 6. It is a rough diagram what I am showing. So somewhere this point, okay, and this is x equal to root 6, and that point is of course beyond, because it will be like this. So I will take the point as like this, somewhere this is P. So this is R, and it meets what has given, this is meeting this so and so line at Q. Q x1 is root 6. We have to find out y1. So that is by substituting x is equal to root 6 in the tangent, 2 root 6 minus root 6y is equal to 2. So that is 2 root 6 minus 2 by root 6 is y. So Q is x coordinate root 6, y coordinate 2 minus 2 by root 6. So he is asking area of QPF. P has given, Q we have got, and F is focus, one of the focus, that is AE comma 0. Simply substitute it. Okay, F is AE, that is root 6 comma 0. I have given 3 points, find the area, simple question. Okay, let us go to the next one, 13th one. Yeah, dy by dx is equal to y plus 1, dy by dx plus x into y plus 1 is equal to y plus 1 whole square into this one. It is like a Bernoulli's differential equation, because in the right side any function of y is there, it is Bernoulli's differential equation. By dividing with the function of y on both sides, we have to convert into linear differential equation. It is like this, 1 by y plus 1 whole square dy by dx plus x by y plus 1 is equal to like this. Let us take a substitution. 1 by y plus 1 is z. You mean minus 1 by y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx is dz by dx. So, it is minus dz by dx plus xz is equal to e power x square by 2. It is dz by dx minus xz is equal to minus e power x square by 2. It is now linear differential equation. E to the power of minus x dx, that is e power minus x square by 2, that is integrating factor. Solution: z into e power minus x square by 2 is equal to integration of q. Q is minus e power x square by 2 into e power minus x square by 2, that is nothing but this is by y plus 1. Cancel. 1 means minus x plus c. Always constants plays an important role. At x equal to 0, y is 2. X 0, this is 1 by y is 2, 3 equal to c. So, c equals to 1 by 3. So, therefore, e power minus x square by 2 by y plus 1 is 1 by 3 minus x. This is the solution. But he is asking y dash of 1. So, let us rewrite. So, if you rewrite like this, e power minus x square by 2, okay, I am taking LCM 1 minus 3x, cross multiply, 3 will goes to numerator, minus 1, that is y. Now, y dash. Here u by v rule we have to apply. So, v into differentiation of e power minus x square by 2 minus 2x by 2, right? V into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v by v square. Now, substitute wherever x is there 1. So, y dash of 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 2 cancel, it is minus 1, that is 3 e power minus 1 by 2, right? Be careful. Next, minus of minus plus 9 e power minus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 3 minus 2 square 4. Just simplify it, you will get this is 6 plus 9 15 by 4. Yes, right? So, problem is lengthy, but nothing is there. Differential equations, most of the times they are asking either linear differential equations or variable separable. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question number 14. Term independent. It is a previous IIT question, in fact, given long back, of course. So, x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. Rationalizing factor is x power 1 by 3 plus 1. Multiply and divide minus this one. If you take root x common, it is root x minus 1. This you can write root x minus 1, root x plus 1 whole power 10, like this. Okay, so that we can cancel. Here it is x plus 1 into x power 1 by 3 plus 1. It is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. It is a cube plus b cube minus it is root x cancel plus 1 by root x. I just separated, right? When you further open, 1 also cancel, x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x power 1 by 2 whole power 1 whole power 10. We have a formula r equal to n alpha by alpha plus beta. N is 10, alpha is 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. that is 10 into 2 by 5, that is nothing but 4. R is 4. He is asking coefficient. Coefficient is 10C4. This is 1 to the power of 6 minus 1 to the power of 4. It is 10, 9, 8, 7 by 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 2 can be cancelled. It is 3 times. It is 210. Okay. So, rationalizing factors carefully you have to learn. Let us go to the next one. If tangent at a point so and so on the curve cuts intercept on coordinate axis. So, clearly the given point is on the curve only, tangent x1, that is 3 root 3 cos theta of x by 27 plus y1 sin theta equal to 1. This is 9 times. This 9 you can write it as 3 root 3 can be cancelled. It is x by 3 root 3 by cos theta plus y by 1 by sin theta equals to 1. Cuts intercepts. This is x intercept. This is y intercept. Right? Find the value of theta for which sum of the intercepts. Right? Sum of the intercepts. 3 root 3 secant theta plus cosecant theta, let us take it as a function. This is minimum. So, differentiate df by d theta equal to 0. 3 root 3 secant theta differentiation is secant theta into tan theta for cosecant theta minus cosecant theta into cot theta is equal to 0. That is 3 root 3 secant theta into tan theta is equal to cosecant theta into cot theta. Just by substituting also we can check it. So, easily we will get second order derivative test also is there. You will get pi by 6. Okay. Let us go to the next one. Question number 17. Centroid of an equilateral triangle. Oh, G is origin, he has given, right? Then this becomes small r, that is, this is the line x plus y equal to 3, that is 0 plus 0 minus 3 by perpendicular distance, that itself is small r by root 2. Small r is 3 by root 2. For equilateral triangle, capital R is 2r. We know that. He is asking r plus r. It is 3r. 3 into r is, sorry, this is 3 into this is 3 only by root 2. It is 9 by root 2. A simple problem based on the properties of triangles again. So, let us go to the next question. Yeah, f of x, f inverse. So, let us take y equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3, xy minus 3y equal to x minus 2, x of y minus 1 equal to 3y minus 2, x is 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. So, therefore, f inverse of x is 3x minus 2 by x minus 1. Second one, G inverse x is equal to y. Y means that is x plus 3 by 2. Now, 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 plus x minus 3 by 2 is this one. We have to find sum of all values. Let us solve. 6x minus 4 plus x square minus x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 13x minus 13. it is x square 6, 9, 8. 8 means minus 5x. Next, minus 4, minus 7 plus 6 equal to this one. Sum of all values, you mean sum of the roots, that is nothing but 5. Okay, simple problem on functions. Go to the next one. 19. X dy minus y dx. I will send it to the other side. X dy is equal to root of x square minus y square plus y of dx. So, dy by dx is equal to y by x plus root of x square. So, clearly it is like homogeneous. Let us put y equals to vx. So, v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus root of 1 minus v square. It is a variable separable form like this, dx by x. It is sin inverse v. V means y by x is equal to log cx. Right? So, he has given at x equal to 1, y equal to 0, sin inverse 0 is 0 is equal to log c. You mean c equal to 1, that is sin inverse y by x is equal to log x. He is asking area bounded by, okay, sin inverse. So, y equal to x sin log x, x sin log x, right, at x equals to this one and this one, y equal to x sin log x. Since he has given the limits 1 to e power pi, right, x into sin log x dx. Let us take log x is equal to t. X is e power t. So, when x is 1, it is 0. When x is e power pi, it is pi. It is pi. X is equal to e power t and this is sin t, dx is e power t dt. I write here. Okay. Even this place is also enough. Right. It is 0 to pi e power 2t into sin t dt. We must remember e power ax into sin bx formula, one of the good problem after a long gap. E power 2t by 4 plus 1 into 2 sin t minus cos t, limits are 0 to pi. For pi, it is e power 2 pi by 5. This is 0, this is 1. For lower limit e power 0, 1 by 5, it is minus 1. So, this he has given it as alpha into e power 2 pi. So, alpha 1 by 5, beta, beta is also 1 by 5. It is 10 times 2 by 5, 5 2 times, that is 4. Problem is simple, but the thing is you have to remember e power ax into sin bx formula. Okay. Let us go to the next one. In a triangle ABC whose circumradius is 2, okay, a pole standing inside the triangle ABC and angle of elevation of the top okay, that is nothing but let height, let height of the pole be h, then tan 60 degrees is h by 2. He has given directly h is 2 into root 3, that is 1.7, that is 1.73, that is 3.446. Roughly we can write. Okay. Let us go to the next one. 21. Q of x is equal to f of x cube plus x into g of x cube. it is divisible by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 means x is omega omega square. So, q of omega is f of 1 plus omega into g of 1, that is 0. Next, q of omega square f of 1 plus omega square into g of 1, that is also like this. When you add 2 times f of 1, omega plus omega square is minus. Omega plus omega square is right. So, g of 1 equal to 0. So, f of 1 plus f of 1, 2 f of 1, and this is, if you take g of 1 common, it is like this. So, 2 times f of 1 equal to g of 1. So, clearly we can observe f of 1 is 0 and of course g of 1 also. Now, he is asking q of 1. So, q of 1, that is also 0. Okay, simple problem. Next, let us go to the next one. Yeah, here I think there is a mistake in this one. He would have given P of n is 5i minus 8p. I hope you know Cayley-Hamilton theorem, right? I am using that concept, Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What it says is determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0, that is 2 minus p minus 1 5 minus 3 minus p. It is minus 6 minus 2p plus 3p plus p square plus 5 equal to 0. P square, 3p minus 2p is plus p, send it to the other side. Minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1 plus 1. 1 means I. So, every p square is like this. I want p power 4. P square into p square, that is I minus p into I minus p equal to like this. I into I square I minus 2p plus p square. But wherever p square is there, once again you have to apply the given expression. P square equal to I minus p. It is 2i minus 3p, that is p power 4. But I want p power 6, that is p power 4 into p power 6, 2i minus 3p, and p square is I minus p. Let us open. This is 2i square, 2i minus 2p minus 3p plus 3p square, right? So, this is 2i minus 5p, 3 into p square, that is 3p. This is 3i minus 3p, that is nothing but minus 2 plus 3, 5i minus 8p. This is what he has given. Then the value of, yes, clearly n equal to 6. N equal to 6. It is trial and error, like checking only, we have to do it. Okay, let us go to the next one. Image of a point. This is the plane. Plane equation is 2x minus y plus z is equal to b. This is the plane. And this is a point P 1 3 a. This is P dash Q. So, image of this one is minus 3 5 2. Clearly Q is the midpoint. 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. 5 plus 3 by 2 8. This is a plus 2 by 8. But Q lies on. 2x minus y plus z equal to b. So let us substitute minus 2 minus 4 plus a plus 2 by 2 is equal to b. It is minus 6. A plus 2 equal to b plus 6 by 2. This is one relation we have got, and also this is, it is on this one, it should satisfy. So if you satisfy that one, again we will get a b values separately. Thereby let us find out a plus 2 equal to 2b plus 12. One equation. He is asking a plus b value. So this is one relation for a and ab. Since this is the plane equation, what are the DRs? DRs of P, P dash, P, P dash, that is 1 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 5, minus 2, A minus 2. And DRs of this one are perpendicular. DRs of this one, 4 into 2 minus 2 into minus 1, a minus 2 into 1 equal to 0. 8 plus 2 plus a minus 2 equal to 0. That is a minus 8. Substitute minus 8 minus plus 2, that is from here so and so. A minus 8 means minus 6 minus 12 by 2 equal to b. B equal to this is 2b plus 12, this is minus 6, b plus 6, b is equal to minus 18 minus 9. So this is 8, a equals to this one, substitute it, okay, that is this value. Next, let us go to the next problem. Yeah, it is, this is also a previous IIT question, 2-3 times they have given. So in order to be continuous, we know that LHL equal to value of the function equal to RHL, that is limit extends to 0 minus sine a plus 1x plus sine 2x by 2x is equal to b is equal to limit extends to 0 plus, here you have to take root x common, it is 1 minus b x square minus root x, if you take common, b x square. Without taking this root common, we will not get the answer. Now here, however, 0 by 0 form, just once let us apply L'Hopital rule. Sine cos a plus 1x into a plus 1 plus 2 cos 2x by 2 is equal to b. Is equal to b. Okay, we'll see. Limit extends to 0 plus root derivative 1 by 2 root of, okay, rather than that I will use expansions, otherwise twice you have to differentiate. To avoid that procedure, I am going to use, it is whole power 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 into b x square, so on, right, minus 1 by b x square, fine. So now put x equals to 0, this is 0, a plus 1, this is 0 plus 2 by 2 equal to b. This side, this cancel, bx square cancel, it is minus 1 by 2. You mean b is minus 1 by 2 and a plus 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, a is minus 4. He is asking these two values. So it is minus 4 minus half, that is 9 by 2, that is exactly 4.5. Okay, Note down this one. Let us go to the next problem, 25. A simple problem from the binomial theorem, that is summation 2 power k into 10 ck, where k runs over from 0 to 10, plus 3 times sigma 10 ck, where k is 0 to 10. This is nothing but 1 plus 2, that is 3 power k, but k is nothing but 10 only, right? It is 10 plus 3 times, this is 2 power 10. This is alpha into 2 power 10 plus beta into 3 power 10. So beta equal to 1, alpha equal to 3. He is asking sum of these two, that is 4. This is the question number 25. Let us go to the next question. F of x is a differentiable function such that f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of y. Whenever f dash 0 information is given, you can go for partial differentiation. By partial differentiation, f dash x plus y is equal to f dash into f of y. Keep it constant. Since he has given f dash 0 value, let us replace x by 0. Replace x by 0 and y by x, that is f dash x. This is nothing but 3 f of x, that is f dash x by f of x is equal to 3. It is log f of x is equal to 3x plus c. You mean your f of x is e power 3x into c, right? It is log. Now he has given that information to find out what is that. If you put x is equal to 0, at x equal to 0, y equal to 0, f of 0 is f of 0 whole square. F of 0 into f of 0 minus 1 is 0. So f of 0 is either 0 or 1. If you take 0 or 1, this value, right? If it is 1, then only it is going to be indeterminate form. So f of 0 is 1. That means at x equal to 0, c equal to 1. So therefore your f of x is e power 3x. Now just to simply substitute it, you will get the required answer. At x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, limit extends to 0 like this. Multiply and divide by 3. This is 1 into 3, that is 3. Okay, a simple problem from this differentiability. Let us go to the next problem. F of x be a cubic polynomial such that it has maximum at x equals to minus 1. At x equals to minus 1, f is maximum. At x equals to 1, f is minimum. So f of x is a cubic polynomial, right? F dash x. Let f dash x is some lambda times these are the roots. Now what is this one? So when you integrate, we will get the function. Total 3 unknowns we have to find out, that is, you can take like this, or else simply let us take f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. When you differentiate, f dash x is 3ax square 2bx plus c. F dash minus 1 equal to 0, that is 3a minus 2b plus c 0. Next, f dash 1 also 0, 3a plus 2b plus c 0, right? And also integration minus 1 to 1. f of 2 equal to 10, that is 8 into a, 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d equal to this. And when you integrate, what is that? Between minus 1 to 1, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 18. This is 0. This is 2b x cube by 3 plus this is dx. Here minus 1 to 1, here 0 to 1, 18. Solve the 4 equations, you will get a, b, c values. Thereby you can find the coefficients of f of x. Add all. You can do like this or else like this. So when you integrate it, equate it to 18. Either of the way we can do it, right? So these are the only questions what we have got from the, these are all memory based. Hence 1 or 2 questions may be here and there. It may be right or wrong, right? We will continue with the other questions as and when it comes. Okay? Thank you.